Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Axie Infinity. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this down channel. And here Axie Infinity has found another resistance, and on the smaller time frame, Axie Infinity has broken down the support of this descending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last trade setup that I shared for my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardly move that Axie Infinity formed. And by the way, this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line pumped very well. First, it slightly moved below than the support zone, and it covered very soon, re-entered the buying zone or potential reversal zone, and we had a very nice pump. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then here I was showing you in my previous video that Axie Infinity broke out this channel after a very long time period. You can see it was entered the channel here back in October 2021 and broke out here on July 2022. But you can see it is not able to break out this downtrend line resistance. We got rejection here. We got another rejection here, 2 more rejections by the way here, and 3 more rejections, almost 3 more rejections we're having here. And here we also have a key resistance at $20 as well, and it is also rejected by this resistance. And previously, by the way, this level was working as a resistance and support here, and support here, resistance here. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance. Now we need to break out this downtrend line resistance and also this key resistance as well. And by the way, we have already broken out this very powerful long-term down channels resistance. Therefore, there is a very high probability that we may also break out these resistance levels very soon. Now, if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here Axie Infinity formed this descending triangle, and recently we have broken down the support of this descending triangle. But if we take a look at the volume, then we can see that we are not having a powerful buying or sell volume. We need a sell volume to confirm this breakdown, and like we had here, a powerful sell volume and a buying volume as well when we had this drop, and after this buying volume the price line moved up and rejected by this resistance. And it is also possible that soon there will be a sell volume enter the market, and then we may have another sell-off, and then we may hit the target for this breakdown. By the way, the target for this breakdown is quite low. If I place this trend line here at the breakdown point, then we can see the target to the downside is showing in the negative territory. So it is not possible for the price line to enter the negative territory, but yes, it is possible that it may move more down and break down this key support and test the previous channel's resistance as a support. And this time this resistance will be breaking as a support approximately at $7 to $8. Now, if we move back to this daily time frame chart, then here we have found another support as well, and you can see it is moving down and also forming another falling wedge pattern. That is a bullish bias pattern. You can see we have a downtrend line resistance, and here we have found a support, and you can see even after this breakdown it is still respecting this support, and we had a small bounce but rejected by this previous resistance of the triangle that is now working as a resistance. Now, due to this formation of the falling wedge pattern and low volume, and as you can see, we have already this key support at $11.50, and we have already broken out a very big channel. And you can see that the movement on the weekly time frame chart is quite squeezed because we have another downtrend and resistance here. Therefore, I'm expecting that it can be a fake out to the downside. And for example, if we break out this resistance, then we can imminently move up to this top of the wedge that will be approximately here at $18.90. That will be very close to this key resistance of $20, and it is possible that after breaking out this wedge, it will also break out this key resistance as well. Now we need to keep an eye on this downtrend line support after breaking down this support. And for example, if the price line breaks down this support, and we can see that we have already broken out this support as well. We were having nice bounces, by the way, from this support of the triangle. then we can move more down to test the support of the previous resistance of the channel that is now working as a support. And by the way, the target for this Bitget breakdown from this Bitget down channel is here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.